How to identify pure coconut oil and avoid buying contaminated or adulterated product. With so many options on the market, it's super important to choose high quality coconut oil to get all the amazing benefits, whether for cooking, skincare, or health. First, read labels carefully. Look for words like virgin, extra virgin, or cold press. These mean the oil was extracted naturally without chemicals or high heat, so it keeps its nutrients and antioxidants. Also look for organic certification to avoid pesticides and chemicals. Avoid oils labeled refined or RBD because they are heavily processed and lose many benefits. And always check for trusted certifications like USDA Organic or Non-GMO Project Verified. These show the product has passed quality checks. Check physical qualities. Pure virgin coconut oil is usually clear or slightly cloudy when liquid, and creamy and white when solid. If you see yellow, brown, or gray colors, that's a red flag. The texture should be smooth like butter at room temperature, no lumps or grittiness. When warm in your hand, pure coconut oil melts quickly and evenly. If it melts slowly or unevenly, it might be mixed with other oils. Smell and taste. Pure coconut oil has a delicate, fresh coconut aroma, light, nutty, and mildly sweet. If it smells rancid, sour, chemical-like, or plasticky, don't use it. Refined oils usually don't have much smell or taste because of processing, but that also means fewer nutrients. When tasting, pure coconut oil is clean with a subtle coconut flavor. Any bitterness or off taste means poor quality. Simple at-home test. The cold test. Pure coconut oil solidifies below 76 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 degrees Celsius. If it stays liquid at room temp, it might be mixed with other oils. Freezing test. Freeze your coconut oil for 24 hours. Pure oil should freeze solid and evenly, no separation or layers. The water test. Mix a bit of oil in water. Pure coconut oil floats in small globules and doesn't dissolve or mix fully. Ingredients and packaging. Look at the ingredient list. Pure coconut oil should only list coconut oil, no fragrance, preservatives, or other oils. Choose glass jars or BPA-free containers to avoid chemical leaching. Be cautious of super cheap oils. They may be diluted or fake. Lab testing and brand transparency. Top brands often share lab test results showing no contaminants like pesticides or heavy metals. They also highlight ethical sourcing and traditional extraction methods. This transparency helps you trust the quality. Patch test for skin use. If you're using coconut oil on your skin or hair, do a small patch test first. Pure coconut oil should absorb nicely without redness or irritation. Sticky or greasy residue could mean additives or impurities. Storage and shelf life. Store your coconut oil in a cool, dark place to keep it fresh. Pure coconut oil can last up to 2 years. If it smells rancid or looks off, toss it out. Contaminated or mixed oils spoil faster. So, to get the best out of coconut oil, always check labels, trust your senses, try simple home tests, and buy from reputable brands. Pure virgin coconut oil is packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and healthy fats, but only if it's truly pure. Follow these tips to avoid fake or contaminated product and enjoy all the amazing benefits coconut oil has to offer. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment, how do you check your coconut oil before buying it? Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. See ya!